If you are doing anything with logistics, with warehousing, with retail, I would say this is the show that you gotta be at.
We also received many positive responses from the visitors. Overall, a wonderful and great experience.
This is the fourth edition we are participating in this show.
Footfall here in Expo is good. Definitely a lot of people from the industry came, including architect and consultant.
I thank you IWE for organizing this such an wonderful event which has been effective.